Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to copy large data in Excel without scrolling. Okay, let's begin. Example: I copy mm, cells L. Okay, and select first cells L. Um, Type your row number. I example 20K. Hold Shift Enter. Now see this automatically selected 20,000. Ctrl C for copy and go to another sheet, or please select another sheet, press enter. Now see this, copy this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.